Bonafide Hustler here, E-Money here. Today we're gonna go garage selling. There's only like 6 or 7 of them, but I'm sure we're gonna find something. Let's go. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of E-Money's truck, and today we're gonna go garage sailing. It doesn't look like the greatest day ever to go garage sailing. We are departing right now, as you can see, but you just never know. That's why we're going out. So we got our cash in hand, we got jackets because it's a little cold, and yeah, we're gonna just make the best of it. We have also a trusty list, like an actual list, because Yard Sale Treasure Map is not working anymore. So we have an actual list. Where is it? It's right here. We're just gonna see where the day takes us. As always, follow me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler, and you can get the free guide that'll teach you 50 items that you can look for at garage sales and thrift stores and stuff like that to make some money on. And these items are generally found used and sold on places like eBay, Amazon, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, things like that. So the first garage sale actually is an estate sale. It's sitting at this house right here. It's a little earlier than 7:30 in the morning, and I'm surprised there's an estate sale going on right now. So we're gonna try to see if we find anything here. See a boat motor. That's interesting. You ready, E-Money?
Yeah, I'm about to surgically get this cheddar and excise it, and then we're gonna biopsy it and then turn it into some money.
Okay, you can tell E-Money's a nurse, that's for sure. Can I be your assistant, E-Money?
Yeah.
Do you need a scalpel?
Yes.
E-Money?
Dr. Bonafide?
Yes.
Are you ready? Do you concur? Do you concur?
I concur.
Okay.
Doctor. Let's go. Come on. Oh, it actually says garage sale E-Money. It doesn't even say estate sale anymore. There's an airplane just chilling here. I'm gonna have to make an offer on that. We'll see. All right, this estate sale garage sale thing is proving to be like a gold mine. So we bought an entire Marantz system in the house. It's the silver kind of front face things, which aren't the most expensive things, but there is a brand new Marantz turntable in that mix, and you'll see. Bought a radio controlled plane, it's brand new, that's really cool. A neat water gun that's like super vintage. We'll show you all those things as we put it in the truck. Here are the speakers right here, some MS-10s. It's part of the speaker set. It's part of the stereo system that we bought for 20 bucks. Bird bath, radio control airplanes, brand new. There is a single turntable that's in here, but we have a brand new one that's sitting right here. That one hasn't even been opened. Cool little boombox right here. Yeah, still getting more things from this garage sale. I've only spent 50 bucks so far. It's pretty good. Oh yeah, got these really neat speakers. Look how cool these things are.
Pioneers?
Yeah. Yeah, there's some cool things in this garage sale. But honestly, we've already filled up the entire truck with one sale. We have so many things, it's ridiculous. And don't forget, when you go to estate sales or garage sales, to pick up things that you would use in everyday life, like car wash, Armor All. Anyway, these are some of the things we have. Got 2 axes, 2 mid-century modern kind of tables, like end tables. That's really awesome. I don't think we spent any more than 60 bucks here for everything. And then there's just stuff everywhere. First sale, and honestly, we got like maybe 5 more to go. I was blown away at how cool this thing was. Love it. Oh my gosh. Tyco. Oh my lord. It's got to be number 1990. Yeah, 1991. Look at that. Sealed. So cool. All right, so there's our list. Also watching some Anjuna Deep from the Anjuna kitchen. There's a garage sale right here. Don't know what's in it, but we also noticed that the house door is open, so that means there's more stuff in it, so we can't do the drive-by. We're gonna have to go in there and check it out. So see if we find anything here. I don't know. I don't think we will, but you just never know. All right, because we don't have any room in the truck anymore, we found a dog crate, and we're putting on E-Money's rack. E-Money.
Yeah.
How much does this day suck?
Dude, this day super sucks.
This is like the worst part about garage selling. It's like doing all this little like work, and then doing all this work, and then when we get home, we got more work to do. But we'll get it organized. Those tables, the MCM tables, we're not even gonna make it home, for example, so we're gonna be real smart about that kind of stuff. But we wanted this. This was 10?
5.
5. Should sell for?
40-50.
40-50 locally. Cool. We're so close to one, we may as well go in. So let's see if we find anything here. Then we have another garage sale. Maybe some coffee. The day has taken an interesting turn. That E-Money was out at my house yesterday, and you didn't even want to go out, right? You didn't think it was gonna be good?
I didn't think it was. Yeah. It was looking a little bleak for me.
Yeah. So, we had a lot of rain recently here in Austin, Texas, and that could hamper the, you know, maybe other people out there that wanted to go garage selling today. They're thinking like it's terrible weather, so like they're not out there because there's no competition right now. Like we're just going around and kind of like finding good stuff. So anyway, hopefully there's no competition in this thrift store. You ready to roll?
Hamper? You mean hinder?
Hinder.
Not
hamper.
Not hamper.
Are you sure?
That's it.
Hamper.
Nope, that's it.
Look it up.
Hamper.
E-Money. If something hampers something, what is it?
Hamper. A large basket with a lid.
What else? What's a verb? Hamper.
Let's see.
E-Money.
Okay, I'm trying. Come on, Oxford Dictionary, let's go.
Oh my gosh.
All right, we're going to Merriam-Webster. Verb, to restrict the movement of by bonds or obstacles.
Oh, hamper. Works.
To interfere with the operation of... All right, that's it. We're going to...
All right, in one of the bins back there, I found this PlayStation VR kind of headset thing. $8. Probably gonna resell for like 100. But yeah, I think I'm gonna get into this for sure. So that's the PlayStation VR headset. I'm gonna probably sell it as untested. I do have a PlayStation, but to get it all set up with the VR thing means probably getting a certain game, which we just don't have that. So there it is. Paid $8 out the door for it, and yeah, sell it as untested. Should probably work. I don't see why it wouldn't, but pretty cool. All right, we're on the next garage sale right here. E-Money sees a Thule bike rack of sorts.
It'll fit perfectly. Right.
There's like no room, E-Money.
Man, I don't know.
All right, we'll see what we can find here. From that garage sale, Bags to Bucks, a chrome bag. You can always tell by these little like Pegasus logos. Is that? No, it's a Griffin, right?
It's a Griffin.
Yeah, Griffin. Anyway, so
red and
really
black.
Awesome. Yeah, really cool bag. I mean, mint condition. Honestly, she said she used it like one time. Should sell for around 50 to 70 bucks, but I might keep this one because it was only $5 at a garage sale. Perfect condition.
Hey, how does that saying go? You know, like red and yellow kills the fellow, but red and black makes you 50 bucks.
Yeah, red and black makes you 50 bucks. That's the saying, E-Money. E-Money, what is wrong with you? God, something's wrong with this guy. I don't know what this dude. He's been like that our whole lives. All right, we're behind the antique mall now, and these things we're actually going to price them pretty high, somewhere in the vicinity of $200 to $300 a piece. We can't figure out if they're Lane, MCM, you know, branded tables, but either way, this general style of MCM stuff with the legs that kind of crisscross like this. See this? Is very desirable, whether it be a coffee table or end table. So we're gonna price them high and see what happens from there. But you know, there's a chance we might turn each one of these tables into like a $200 profit each one. So, or maybe 300. Who knows? But we don't want to shortchange ourselves. That's for sure. Dropping some stuff off over here at the post office. What do we have? Well, there's like two things back there. One of the things is a pair of CD shoes, which I don't know if I found it on a vlog or not. I might have. I also sold the other inline skates that I found from that one vlog that were like $4 a piece. Sold the other inline skates for $85. So that was a nice sale as well. That's all going out to here. And then we'll be home. And we'll get you a closer look of some of the cool things that we found today as well. Calvin Klein. It's written all over your underwear. I guess they call you Cal. What movie is that from? What movie is that from? E-Money, you know it?
Yeah.
Okay,
of course.
Comment down below. All right, so I'm back at the house and I want to show you some of the things that we found from garage sales today. Don't know if you can see this very well. We got two Marantz speakers right here. I don't think they're anything super special. They're probably worth about 100 bucks locally. MS-10s, gonna test them out. That's why they're here in the office. But yeah, two of those right there. Got two other speakers that I have to test as well. They're just really neat looking, you know? Three-way Pioneer speakers. Don't know what I can get for this, but they were just part of the deal. That really awesome chrome Bags to Bucks find right there, $5. Probably has resale of around 50 plus. Might keep that one, not 100% sure. Got that turntable right here, brand new turntable. It's a 1020, probably gonna sell for around 200 bucks. Nothing super special. It's not like a Technics or a Pioneer or anything like that, but it's neat nevertheless, and it's brand new. This radio controlled airplane, unbuilt, gas powered. Has a 40 size motor, 2-stroke, really nice with the actual controller right there. And that was like 20 bucks for both those things. I spent around maybe 70 bucks today total. So these are some of the finds that you're seeing that I bought. Got a pile of Marantz stuff in this box. That box is just piled high with just Marantz equipment. So that's nice. We also have another, looks like another turntable, maybe a 1020 as well. Don't know if it works, but still for parts, it's probably still worth like 80 bucks. Briefcase, great for the booth. Mickey Mouse phone, TBD, don't know what that's gonna really sell for, but this is probably the stuff that's gonna go to the booth later. A boombox from Sears, did try it, but the tape player doesn't work, which is to be expected because most of them don't when you get boomboxes these days. So just a boombox, got this awesome water gun. I mean, it's amazing. So it is motorized, cool water gun, 250 shots per minute. I mean, it's just really nice. It's a 1991 Playtime Products. But basically I think licensed to Tyco. Basically brand new, look at that. Got this awesome Lionel watch. I have to do some research on this. I would speculate that it would work with the proper battery in there. So Lionel watch, and that train does move around when it tells the time. So TBD on this, just part of the deal. 2 axes as well. A little bit more of a hatchet style, but it is technically an axe. Don't know what I'm gonna get for these, but that's just part of the deal as well. Bunch of car care stuff, which I actually used today already. So that was nice. So that's basically some of the other finds. We did put those 2 tables in the booth for about $200 a piece, so that's nice. I think it was $5 into each one of those mid-century modern tables. But yeah, E-Money got some cool things, like a dog crate, a couple other things, but he definitely got some. He actually sold a dog crate already. I'm filming this 3 hours or 4 hours after the garage sales, and he's already sold the dog crate. Sold it for 45, so that was nice. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button, put a comment down below, and I will see you on the next garage sale vlog. I'll see you next time. Take it easy. Goodbye.